Hey y'all, this is your girl Taya. This is your dance tutorial for Yearning for Your Love by the Gap Band. Alright, so we're starting everything on the right. This is my right and this is my left. So I'll give it to you front ways and then I'll turn around because that might make more sense, okay? So we're starting on the right and we're gonna give me 2 kicks to the right, 2 kicks to the left, and a knee to the chest, right, left. It looks like this. So right, right, left, left, right, left, knee, okay? Again, right, right, left, left, right, left. From the back, right, right, left, left, right, left. Okay, so from there, we're going to add the dip, all right? So you're gonna give me 2 right kicks, right, right, left, left, right, left, dip, up, okay? Again, right, right, left, left, right, left, dip, up. From the back. Right, right, left, left, right, left, dip, up, okay? So from the dip up, we're going to swing from the right to the left. Looks like this. So right, left, okay? So add that in with the right, left, right, okay? Here we go. 3, 2, 1, right, right. So right, right, left, right knee, dip, swing right, left, okay? From the back, right foot. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, right, 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 left, left, right, knee, dip, swing right, swing left, okay? All right, so from here we got right and then left. So we're gonna do a right, left, right. I wanna say it's a kickball change, but I really don't know. But we're gonna do right, left, right, left, right, left. So it looks like this. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Right, left, right, left, right, left. You're only gonna do it once, both sides. Okay, one more time. Right, left, right, left, right, left. From the back. Right, left, right, left, right, left. One more time. Right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left. Okay, so we'll add that in. And we're almost there. We're almost there. We're almost there. Here we go. Right, right. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Right, right. Right, right. Left knees up. Dip. Swing right. Swing left. Right, left, right. Right, left, right. Left, right, left. From the back. Right, right. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, right. Left. Knees up. Dip with it. Swing right. Swing left. Right, left, right. Right, left, right. Left, right, left. Okay? All right, and then we got 2 right taps, 2 left taps. And you're gonna kind of walk up with it. So it's right, right, left, left. That's it, okay? So we'll do the right, left, right, left, right, left, into the right, right, okay? So right, left, right. 3, 2, right, left, right. Right, left, right. Left, right, right. Right, right, left, left. Okay, one more time. Right, left, right. 3, 2, 1. Right, left, right. Left, right, right. Left, left. Okay, turn around. Right foot. Right, left, right. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Right, left, right. Left, right taps. Right, right, left, left. Okay, let's add everything. And then all we got is 2 more segments and we're done. All right, here we go. 3, 2, right taps out. Right, right, left knees up. Dip, swing your hips. Right, right, left, right. Right, left, right. Right, 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 left, left. Okay? From the back, same thing. 3, 2, 1, right, right. Right, right, left knees up. Swing your hips. Hold on. 3, 2, 1, right, right. left, left. Knees up, dip with it, swing your hips. Right, left, right. Right taps, it goes right, right, left, left. Okay? All right, so we're going to step turn, or you can call it a pivot. So you're gonna pivot, you're here. So you're right, right, left, step, turn. Step on over that, you're pivoting on that left foot. So you're stepping with the right, pivoting on the left. So right, right, step, turn, step, turn, step, turn. Okay, so you should get back where you started. All right, so let's add that in from the top. Okay, so right, right out. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, right, 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 left, knees up, dip with it, swing, and goes right, right, left, right, right, left, right, tap, tap, right, right, step, turn. Here we go. So step, turn, turn. Okay? From the back. Rights out. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Right, right. It goes right, right, left, knees up, dip, swing your hips, right, left, right, right, left, right, tap, tap, right, right, left, step, turn, step, turn. Okay? So that step turn should bring you back to where you started. All right? And we're at the last move. Okay? So the last move is a body roll. Okay? So you're going to roll forward, roll back, and then turn 2, 3, 4. All right? So again, you roll forward, roll back, turn your body 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is where the dance starts over. Okay? So let's try that one more time. You're gonna swing forward, swing back, and turn with your right foot, and you should be turning to the left. Your left. Okay? It's my right, it's my left. All right, so let's put all of it together and we'll be done, and then I'll upload another video with the music. Okay, so this is just the tutorial, and then if you want to do it with the music, I'm gonna do another video and we'll do the whole song, because there is a break in the song at the end. So just in case you want to teach it, don't forget the break. All right, here we go. So it writes out 3, 2, 1, right, right. It goes right, left, knees up, dip with it, swing your hips, go right, right, left, right, right, left, right, tap, tap, right, right, step, turn, you swing it forward, swing back, and turn 1, 2, 3, rights out, goes right, right, knees up, dip, swing right, left, right, right, left, right, tap, 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 step, turn, and turn, swing forward, swing back, turn your body, goes 1, 2, right, again, it goes right, right, knees up, dip with it, swing with it, go right, right, left, right, right, left, right, tap, tap, right, right, left, step, turn, swing it forward, swing it back, turn, it goes 1 last time. Here we go. Right, right, left, left, knees up, dip with it, swing, goes right, swing left, right, left, right, 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 left, left, step, turn, swing, forward, roll it back, turn, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, meet me at the other video and we'll do it with the music. All right.